Sometimes it's easier to find the probability of the complement of an event rather than the actual probability of the event. So the probability of the complement of some event A is noted as the probability of A with this bar over it, and it equals 1 minus the probability of the event A. So the complement consists of all outcomes not in that event. So like for 3, it says that the probability that a flight will be delayed is 0.21. What is the probability that it's not going to be delayed? So probability that it's not delayed, if we know the probability of what it will be, all we'd say is 1 minus 0.21. So the probability of it not being delayed is 0.79 or 79%. So for number 4, when two 6-sided dice are tossed, and I wrote down all the outcomes already, there's 36 total. So find the probability A, that the sum is not 8, or B, the sum is greater than or equal to 4. So the probability that the sum is not 8, well, if we know that the probability of it being 8, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outcomes, probability that the sum is not 8 is just 36. And actually, let's write it out as a fraction. So 1 minus 5 out of 36. So because there's 36 total, 1 and 36 would be 36 out of 36. So 36 minus 5 would be the probability that the sum is not 8. Now, could you sit there and count them? Yes, you could count all the other possibilities, but that's a different way of doing it. So then B just asks, okay, what is the sum, or what's the probability that the sum is greater than or equal to 4? So we can include 4. So it wants all of these guys, greater than or equal to 4. So looking at this, I only see 3 that aren't greater than or equal to 4. So I know if there's 36, the probability that the sum is greater than or equal to 4 is 33 out of 36, which reduces to 11/12, or 91%. So usually it'll ask you for the complement of an event if it's just easier to find that, or if it only gives you the probability of what it is, and it's asking you for what the probability of it not being that would be. And that is it for the complement of an event. Just remember, it's noted as this, so if it doesn't say complement, that's how you would know.